All right, we're about ready when, yeah.
Oh,
Whenever you're ready to. All righty.
Sarah, can you turn off your camera? Thank you.
Sorry, I forgot I didn't have my on and I forgot.
I think these are the best potatoes I've ever had.
I highly doubt that.
No, really. I can't believe you made these from scratch. And you grew them in your backyard too?
Yeah, right in my backyard. I grow a lot of food back there.
That's amazing. And the mac and cheese too. You said in your profile that you're a chef, and I had high expectations, but I am blown away.
Thanks.
And is this bacon in here too?
No, I don't eat bacon. Pigs are my favorite animal, so no eating pork, bacon, or ham for me.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. I love bacon.
Hey, to each their own.
My sister loves bacon too.
What's wrong? Is it the food?
No, it's not the food. My sister went missing a few days ago. This is strange, but when I think of bacon, I think of her.
Oh my gosh, that's horrible. I'm so sorry. I never knew that bacon could be such an emotional topic.
It's okay. It's not okay. Sorry. This is weird to bring up on a first date, especially someone you met on Tinder. Oh my God, you must think I'm totally crazy.
No, it's totally okay. I don't think you're crazy at all.
You're sweet. This whole meal honestly reminds me of her. Weird. Maybe it's a sign? She loves potatoes and mac and cheese, actually, and she loves bacon. Ham, pork, bacon. She loves all of that. She actually works in the meat processing industry. Hilton Pork Incorporated?
Oh, yeah. I've heard of it.
Yeah, she's so funny. She wears this gray hoodie with a picture of a pig eating bacon on it. She ironically likes to wear it to work because she specializes in slaughtering the pigs. Oh my God, I'm sorry. You just said you love pigs.
You're fine. She sounds like a really interesting girl with a good taste in food. I hope you find her.
Yeah, me too.
And when you do find her, you can have a nice meal of bacon together.
Yeah, maybe you can make us some of your mac and cheese and potatoes.
I would be honored.
This is awkward to admit, but...
What?
I work with my sister. Our entire family's in the meat processing industry. My last name is Hilton, as in Hilton Incorporated. I also, unfortunately, take part in slaughtering the pigs.
No. Out of my house now.
Oh my God, is that a deal breaker? Maybe I should include that in my Tinder bio. That I kill pigs and love to eat bacon. I'm awful.
Not at all. I think you're beautiful and funny and complex. And you like my cooking.
No, I love your cooking.
You love my cooking?
Yeah, I think a guy who can cook are really sexy.
That's interesting.
Oh my God, my mouth tastes like potatoes.
I don't mind.
I do. I have gum in my bag. I'll go grab it. You're going to have to give me that potato recipe, though. Seriously, I'm going to have to show it to my mom. She'll love it. She might add bacon, but... I have to go.
What? Is everything okay?
Yeah, I just have to go. The food was really great and all. Thanks for everything.
Don't you want to get the potato recipe?
Yeah, that's okay, really. I'll get it later.
You didn't like them?
What?
Should I have added bacon?
What?
For the pigs.
And Finn.